Assalamu alaikum students. As you can see, we have started our topic volume and surface area, and this is exercise 14C from book 3, 7th edition. So in this question, we have been given the values, radius and height of two cylinders, and we are asked to find the number of small container means small cylinder, which is volume V2 I have mentioned. So you have to find out how many number of these cylinders you can fill by this big container. So this is the data for the first big cylinder, diameter 2.4 meter and height is 6.4 meter. And over here the small cylinder having radius 8.2 centimeter and a height 28. Now I would ask Umar Jamil to explain the whole question clearly to the class. Yes, Umar?
Yes, sir. So today we are starting exercise 14C, book 1, 7th edition. So in this we are given the first cylindrical container or the big container which has a diameter of 2.4 meter and the height of 6.4 meter. So to convert it into centimeters, as the other cylinder is also given in centimeters. So when 2.4 meter is converted into centimeter, to it is 240 centimeter, which is the diameter, and the height, which is 6.4 meter. When it is converted to centimeter, it's 640 centimeter. So first we will take out the volume of the first cylinder, which is V1, which will be equal to base area multiplied by height, or in known in common cylindrical methods, pi r square multiplied by height. So we are not given the radius, not yet. So we are given the diameter, which is 240 centimeters. So the formula of taking out the radius is to divide the diameter by 2. So when we divide the diameter by 2, we get the answer radius, which is 120 centimeter. So further, when we expand the equation, so volume will be equal to 22 upon 7, or you can also take 3.142 multiply by 120 square, and then it will also be multiplied by 640. So you when you add up these calculations and all these variables in the calculator, you will get the answer for V1, which is 289, 2,089,645.71.43 centimeter cube. So this was the volume of the first cylinder. So now we move on to the second cylinder, which has the radius of 8.2 centimeter, which is of its base, and the height is 28 centimeter. So to find the volume of the second cylinder, which is V2, we take pi r square multiplied by height, the same equation we took for the first cylinder. So when we take 22 upon 7 multiply by r square, which is 8.2, and its square, and it will multiplied by 28, for which the answer that we will get by adding up all of these calculations in the calculator, we will get the answer around 5917.12 centimeter cube. So now we have to find the number of containers that will be taken out of the first cylindrical oil container that was around filled to the brim. So now when how we will take that out, it will be that we have to divide the volume of the first cylinder by the volume of the second cylinder. So when we will divide them, for example, 28964,571.43 will be divided by 5917.12. So the answer that we will get by dividing this, it will be 4859. it will be 4895 centimeter cube. So this will be our answer.
उमर, हम यहाँ पर 4895 के साथ कोई यूनिट नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ कंटेनर पूछा है.
सेंटीमीटर क्यूब.
नहीं, हम कुछ भी नहीं लिखे, हम यहाँ पर नंबर है, ये दिस इज नंबर. आपसे मैं अगर कहूँ कि मुझे 2 गिलास दो, 3 गिलास दे दो, तो आप 3 के आगे लिखोगे सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर या सेंटीमीटर, कुछ भी नहीं, वो तो एक नंबर है, ओनली नंबर है. तो हम वी आर फाइंडिंग नंबर ऑफ कंटेनर्स, दैट इज 4895, नॉट सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, हम लेंथ नहीं निकाल रहे. सेंटीमीटर मीन यू आर फाइंडिंग लेंथ, बट नंबर ऑफ कंटेनर मीन यू आर फाइंडिंग अ नंबर.
ठीक है
It means you are finding the number. Okay.
सर.
Now I ask the same, Omar Jamil, can you ask any question from any student like Abir, Asif, Adam, and Khizar, Mudassir?
I'll ask the question
Ashad Hussain. You
from.
can ask. You can ask the
I'll ask.
question why we are dividing this. Yes, Omar,
I'll
please
ask,
ask the question.
yes, I'll ask the question from Adam that uh, when we are given the diameter, the height of the first container, so why do we divide it with the second container? What is the reason? Why do we want to divide it with the other cylindrical containers?
Yes, please answer this question.
We divided it to find the number of containers. Like we find the volume and then we find the other volume too. So we divided because we have to find the number of containers. We don't have the number of containers.
Correct.
Okay, dear students, our class is over here, and we have done this question. And Alhamdulillah, we have successfully completed this topic. Tomorrow, I will give you introduction related to polygons. So all students must be ready with the polygons. Concept like angle on a straight line, angles, sum of angles in a triangle. So inshallah, we will study this tomorrow. And this video will be uploaded on YouTube right now. Okay. Students,